Great news for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users. If you've been dealing with bugs and issues on your device, relief is on the way. Samsung is preparing a significant software update, the One UI 6.1 build, which aims to tackle those problems and enhance your overall user experience. According to trusted tipster Tone Vats, the One UI 6.1 update is currently in testing and is expected to roll out soon. This update is a step up from the previous One UI 6.0 build and signifies Samsung's commitment to addressing user concerns. Furthermore, Samsung's customer support has been proactive in acknowledging and addressing reported issues. They've assured users that their developer team is diligently working on solutions. While an exact release date hasn't been provided, Samsung encourages users to stay patient and keep their devices connected to Wi-Fi for a seamless automatic update. It's important to note that this update isn't just a minor patch, it's a substantial one aimed at resolving multiple issues comprehensively. Samsung is dedicated to delivering a top-notch experience for Galaxy S24 Ultra users, and while it may take a bit of time, the wait is expected to be worth it. Stay tuned for this much-anticipated update.